What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Toy Circle, and today I have some new blind boxes to open, and these are actually by Blizzard Entertainment, and I don't know the exact, well, I'm assuming they're just from Blizzard. Yep, it's all official Blizzard gear, so this is awesome, but they're called by Cute But Deadly Series 1. And it has a couple people from all reaches of the Blizzard universe. It's got Kerrigan, Arthas, Sylvanas, Zeratul, Diablo, and then some Murlocs. So here is the back of the box. It actually shows the characters that you can get and like what chances are of getting that character. So, and we got these at Hot Topic and they were about $10.50. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this first one. And I'm hoping to get at least either Kerrigan or Sylvanas. This is like one of the two I want to get. So, oh, that box is done for. Alright, there's a little. And then the first one is. Woo! Sylvanas! Yay! Oh, she comes with a little stand, and she also comes with a bow as well. Let me go ahead and put her on her stand. Ah, she looks really cool. I had like. Honestly, I'm actually really impressed now I've opened these. Because I wasn't sure by looking at the pictures, and I've seen like some online, I wasn't quite sure. But now opening one, I can definitely see that I need all of these. And then here's her little bow right here. See if I can get that on her hand. How do you get that on her? Well, I'm not quite sure, so I'll figure that out in a second. But let me go ahead and open my second box over here. And then hopefully this one's either a Kerrigan or an Arthas. Or Zeratul. Or anybody, to be honest. Alright, this one feels a little heavier. So I'm assuming this would be Zeratul. Nope, it is a Arthas! Lich King! Oh man, Frostmourne looks awesome. Hold on, once I get these out of the box. Out of the bag. That's not actually the tip of the sword is actually sharp enough that it actually cut through the bag. Yeah, Frostmourne looks cool. Wait, I can't. Hold on. Is this the? No, this is just the regular version of Arthas, I believe. So I don't know if you can get it. Good look. And Frostmourne. That's cool. All right. So far we're 2 and 2. Alright, next one. It's gonna be. Alright, I'm not sure who this is. Oh! And it's Zeratul! Sweet. So far, we haven't got any duplicates yet. This is awesome. So all I need was Kerrigan, and then I'll actually be set. Yeah. And it has like his little blade at the end too. Oh, this is awesome. His armor kind of moves too. I bet you can like pop his cape off if you wanted to. So I'm gonna go ahead and put him on his stand. Bam. Alright. Then we got one more. So I'm hoping this is a Kerrigan. Or Diablo. But I'd much rather it be Kerrigan. So let's see. It is. Oh, it's just a Murloc. Boo. That's okay though. I like the Murloc too. To be honest, I like all of them, so I will just have to buy more in hopes to get Kerrigan and Diablo because I don't have pretty much all of them, minus the variants, but that's fine. I think I can live through that. So here is everybody. Oh, stood. Oh, actually, let me get Sylvanas to stand up. Oh, her actual like stand goes in her cloak, so it kind of looks like she's like lifted, like lifting off the ground. And then we have Arthas and Frostmourne and her bow. So, like I said, these are by Blizzard Entertainment, and we got these at Hot Topic for $10.50 a piece. And I don't know, I really like the detail, and I'm like super excited that that Blizzard's actually coming out with characters from their video games. Like they have these Nico action figures that I want to get, and they look super cool and detailed. Okay, Sylvanas does not want to stand up, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But make sure to comment below which one's your favorite, and hopefully I'll be buying more of these to open and review with you guys. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you all later.